heard it a lot in the conversations we've had today about the importance of collaboration. How important is that collaboration to integrating digital tools and fostering innovation going forward?
If I highlight one of the examples where GSK is collaborating with not only with the suppliers but with the competitors, so we work very closely with an organization called Bioforum, where we work with our competitors and our contract manufacturing organizations to not only set today's digital standards, but think about the years to come. What digital standards do we need to collaborate on now so they'll be ready when the time is right for us to use them, right? So those collaborations and those conversations are really important, right? Because the digital isn't something that you can, when it gets to the external supply chain, you can't just build it one by one, right? So if you're a contract manufacturing organization, you want to be able to serve multiple sponsor organizations. Similarly, if you're a sponsor organization, you want to be able to work with multiple contract organizations. So having those industry standards and collaborations in place is really important to get the right scale, right? And secondly, it's also about technology. Sometimes by collaborating, you can really make huge difference to get technology vendors to collaborate as well, right? So this is a great example in aerospace, where a lot of work went into creating the model-based definition, right? And then the tech companies really work together to create interoperability standards, so you don't get vendor lock-in, right? You can start to talk to different PLM systems, and the PLM systems can interoperate, because things like PLM systems, you're only going to invest like once in a decade, right? You're not going to change it every 5 minutes. So it's really important to create not only the collaboration between the manufacturing companies, but also the ecosystem that provides the tech platforms.